Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward tutorial on how to change your PNC debit card PIN online in 2025. With cybersecurity being more important than ever, updating your PIN regularly is a smart move to keep your finances safe. Whether you're doing this for the first time or just need a quick refresh, I'll walk you through it step by step in under 2 minutes. Let's jump right in. First things first, grab your device and ensure you have a stable internet connection. Head over to the PNC Bank website or open their mobile app. Make sure it's the official one for security reasons. Once there, log into your online banking account using your username and password. If you have two-factor authentication set up, go ahead and complete that step to verify your identity. Now, once you're logged in, navigate to the Accounts or Dashboard section. Look for your debit card listed under your accounts. It's usually easy to spot. Click on it, and then find the Manage Card or Security Settings option. This is where the magic happens. Select Change PIN from the menu that appears. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your new PIN. Remember, a strong PIN should be at least 4 digits long, mixing numbers and maybe even letters if the system allows it. Avoid obvious choices like your birth year. After typing in your new PIN, you'll need to confirm it by entering it again. The system might ask for additional verification, like answering a security question or receiving a one-time code via text or email. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete this. Once that's done, hit the Submit or Confirm button, and voila, your PIN is updated. You'll probably see a confirmation message on the screen. To be safe, log out of your account and test your new PIN the next time you use your card at an ATM or for a purchase. A quick tip: always do this on a secure, private network to avoid any risks, and if you run into any issues, don't hesitate to contact PNC customer support. They're there to help. Thanks for watching, folks. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.